on our very last delivery that VHT is going to make. We're delivering to Winston-Salem. Got a little 40.
Yeah. Got this? Got this? Dang.
Hey, Terrence and Toua here. We're on our very last delivery that VHT is going to make. We're delivering to Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Muddy Creek Motorsports is who we're delivering it to, and they are receiving a VH 800 fully loaded. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys. Got this? Got this? We're hungry, so we're gonna eat first. I guess we just got here just in time because the traffic is not crazy yet, not backed up.
Law enforcement ain't in here yet.
Yep. Dang.
Turn right onto the destination road.
Oh, it'll be on that road right here.
Yeah,
right.
Now turn right.
Muddy Creek, there it is.
Yeah, Muddy Creek. We are here, guys.
Yeah, no mask with this, no dust, no filter.
Let's go ahead.
Welcome to Muddy Creek Motorsports. We're going to give you guys a walkthrough tour of kind of what goes down in this building. So this right here is kind of our finish out bay. A lot of times we put our build outs in here whenever they're in the finishing stages, like they're getting their wraps put on. You know, when we're ready to hook the truck up to them, stock them full of inventory. A lot of our tool companies will come here. That's what those boxes are for, gearing up for Gear Inch to come in. They ship a bunch of their tools in here, and then we'll stock them on the trailer, get them ready for the road. Our next bay here is kind of our body work, paint shop, powder coating, you know, you name it, finished stock work that goes on in here. We've got powder coat gun, paint booth, And then we've got our brand new blaster set up right here that we're adding to the bay. And then right here, our next bay over is our fab shop. So we got brake capabilities, shear capabilities, custom milling, custom lathing, any kind of welding you can think of we do here. As you can see right here in our fab shop, we're in the middle of a custom build on this 1956 International Metro van. It was actually used on the railway to deliver mail on the railway. It's still stamped on the side, kind of rusty, looks cool. We took the chassis out from under it, took a 2003 GM chassis, cut it, shortened it 23 inches, threw in a Chevrolet 350 with a 350 trans, airbags. Let's go slam to the ground. And our M project, I'll show you our CAD drawing for it.
All right.
So this is what we're going for in our end result. It's going to have 4 taps on the outside and be a beer truck. The inside will be full of kegs, insulated, and it'll slam all the way to the ground on those bags.
Nice.
It'll be a nice truck whenever we get back to it.
Nice. I'm excited to see this guy running and complete it.
Yeah.
Vapor hunting, eating food today. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.